You want to work outside on your laptop, but the sun is too bright and now you can't see a damn thing. Well, Coetzee has a nice budget solution for you.
What's up guys, it's Coetzee here from Mychondria, and I want to make a video today to show you guys the setup that Holly and I are busy using outside. If you're self-isolating at the moment, then just sitting inside all the time is not going to be good for you. Obviously you want to be getting outside and getting natural light. There's really good benefits associated with that. It's going to help you produce more melatonin, which is going to help with your sleep. It's going to help to boost your immune system by actually proliferating more immune cells, and it also frees up nitric oxide, which is one of the things that has been proven to help actually slow down the replication of a coronavirus. So what we're doing today, I'm going to show you just one of the problems that you run into immediately when you're trying to work outside on a computer. So what I'll show you guys, as soon as you go onto your computer and you're sitting outside like this, you immediately notice that you'll get glare from the sun. So if you go online and you look on something like Amazon, you'll find specific boxes for protecting your computer from sunlight, and they tend to cost around £40 or $50 US. So what we've done is we've used a really simple hack where we're using a storage box. If you are in the United Kingdom, we're using something from IKEA, and we literally measured up our computers. We found storage boxes that they use, and we're using something like this. Open it up, it folds up so it packs away really nicely, and taking that, placing it outside and storing the computer in there. So now I can do my work while still getting natural light on myself, but I can see my computer screen, and there's no extra sunlight on my computer, which obviously isn't going to be good for the computer. So if you guys want to look at that, any kind of storage box, that's ideal. If you guys do have red light therapy devices, then I highly suggest that you're doing them every single day at the moment. That is one of the things that's also been shown to help boost your immune system.
And what if you need to work inside? Well, then you might want to consider the health benefits of infrared light panels. And at Mychondria, they sell all those red light panels, and you can get a 15% discount with the code 𝐿𝙄𝙎𝘾𝙃. And if you have any other questions for Nick, please let us know down below. So this was Matthijs from 𝙈𝙔𝘾𝙃𝙊𝙉𝘍, helping the world, optimizing your health. Cheers.